Good evening, everyone. This is TC with $1StockPicks.com. I'll be handling the end-of-day plays, recap, and playlists that we release at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So our first pick is Amtx. Okay, this one, daily chart suggests a short-term move up to 83 to 85 cents. We alerted this at 73 cents per share. 3% goal was 75 cents. High of the day was 88 cents per share, giving us a whopping 20.55%. Good job trading that one if you picked it. We'll switch to the 5-minute chart where you can see the action for the day. Let me switch this back to that. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Alright, so here you can see that it went up, and at about 9:50 in the first 20 minutes of trading, it went up and hit a high of 97 cents. Oh, that was the day before, my mistake. Here we go. At 9:30, 9:35, went up and hit a high of 88 cents per share. We released it here at 3:30 on the 26th. And for the 27th, that would be here. I went up and hit 88 cents in the first 5 minutes of trading. So like I said, 20 cents, 20% gains for the day. Move on to the next one. BORN. Okay. So this one, we said daily chart suggests a short-term move up to the 79-cent mark. Didn't quite make it. So not a lot of volume there for the next day. We went up and hit a high of 76 cents per share. However, I was alerted at 73 cents per share. Goal was 75 cents. It went up to 76. So we got 4% on that trade. So good job trading that one. 5-minute chart, you can see the volume just wasn't there. We went up within the first 5 minutes and hit 76 cents, and then it came down and found some support at 67 cents. So that was that. Moving on to the next one, Pfie. Okay, so this one had a nice little morning star, or whatever you want to call that, a reversal there at the 136 mark line. On the 26th, daily chart suggests a short-term move up to maybe a recent high. I believe we put it at 150. We didn't quite get past the 5-day moving average. You can see we hit a high of 150, so it did hit our chart analysis goal, and that was the high of the day. 3% goal was 148. So that gave us 4.17% on that trade, potential gain. So good job trading that one. I'll switch over to the 5-minute chart real quick where you can see the action. Did dip a little bit at open, found some support at 141, went up and hit a high of 150, and closed out the day on the 27th. So great job trading that one. Moving on to CR. Daily chart. Of course, I'm doing this on Saturday, so I have to move back a day so you can see. All right, on this one, daily chart suggests a short-term move up to about the 326. Okay, found some support here at the 5-day moving average, like I stated before. I'm bottoming out at the 290 mark, finding some support there. So chart analysis was spot on, and then some. Got 9.27% potential gains there. Alerted at 313. High of the day was 340.42. Let's switch to the 5-minute chart, see where the action was. You can see that came up here, hit a high within the first couple hours of trading. It went up and hit a high of 336, and then in the day it went up and hit the 342. So you got to keep an eye on that and see if the 326 is going to be support or resistance. I went ahead and gave it another go. So great trading on that one as well. All right, moving into the next set of picks that were released for Friday. Here's so 5 daily chart. Okay, on this one, the daily chart suggests a short-term move up to 46 cents per share. You know, we have the 20-day moving average right there, so that's where we think it's going to go. Alerted at 41 cents. 3% goal is just a 1 cent move, so we're looking at 42 cents there. So should be able to get that just based on the support on the 5-day moving average there. I would think that it would move up to this line, maybe touch the 20-day moving average. All right, moving on to the next one, OMED. All right, so at the 5-day moving average, we're finding some support here. Daily chart suggests a short-term move up to about the 78-cent mark. Beautiful, good volume here. We're over 1.4 million shares being traded. We alerted this at 66 cents per share. 3% goal was 68 cents. So pretty confident that with volume we're going to be hitting right around there. I think we put it at about 78 cents. Also, we have the 20-day moving average up here at 84 cents. So it'd be interesting to see if it goes up and hits that on Friday. So moving on to the next one, AKR. Alrighty, here's another one that has a pretty big candlestick, finding support at the 5-day moving average. Chart analysis suggests a short-term move mark. We also have the 20-day moving average coming in here at 113, so we could see it go through that. If it goes through that, it could hit 157, but we'll see. That might be too big of a move, but I'm comfortable saying for Friday, 119 for the chart analysis. This was alerted at 91 cents per share. 3% goal was 94 cents. All right, moving on to the next one. RIOT on the daily chart. The daily chart suggests a short-term move up to or about 175 to 180. The 20-day moving average is right here. Based on this big candlestick, we're thinking of another size move, which would put it about 180. Finding some support here at the 135. So Friday should be interesting for this one, depending on how Bitcoin or the other cryptocurrencies are doing. So we might find we have a double tap here. Probably see a good move back up to 207 next week. So it should be interesting. All right, well, that's all I have for today. Thanks again for joining me on TC at $1stockpicks.com. Have a good one.